Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a gradient layered testimonial box using layer styles in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and set a medium canvas for testimonials. First I draw a rounded rectangle as the testimonial base. Then I apply a soft gradient from light beige to white for elegance. After that I duplicate the shape and place it behind with a darker tone. Now I add subtle drop shadows and inner shadows for depth. Next I insert a circular shape for a profile image with gradient stroke. Then I refine highlights so the box feels soft and trustworthy. After this I align all elements cleanly. Finally I zoom out and polish the testimonial box until it feels warm and professional.